we sometime 1 hour we just take just for tuning. If it is guitar, guitar has a different way, like a screw. Once you tune, it never get off tune. But sitar and tabla, Hindustani classical music acceptable. During the concert, we tune the instrument. During the recording, even CD recording, it's a professional recording also. While playing, while singing, we can tune Tanpura, Surmandal, sitar, sarangi. So, which is very difficult sometimes. So that's why, if it is auditorium, so we have curtain is on and the concert is at 5, we have to be there at 2 o'clock to set up all these things. So, but so nice that we are in Livermore Temple. And one of the best blessings that we are here, and thank you for Shamla ji, Usha ji, other people, those who invite us here to perform. And we are here not to perform, we are here to take blessing from God, from you, all of you. So, I'm sorry about inconvenient for half an hour for the setup here, because it's very important. If it is tuned, sounds great. If it is not tuned, then you are Hindustani people, you know the Hindustani classical music. If it is out of tune, is no way to listen. Okay? So thank you very much once again for Shamla ji and Usha ji. Your name is Usha ji, no? Yes. And other all volunteers, president, treasure, I like treasure people. Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you all very much. Like Hansel said, we thank everybody for giving us this opportunity. But I'd also like to say that Pandit Habib Khan has performed at the Livermore Temple before to raise money for the Gujarat Earthquake Relief Fund, and we were able to raise more than $60,000-$70,000 for that thing. And today, most of his compositions, Pandit Habib Khan's compositions, revolve around oneness in all religions and oneness through the music of love. And all his compositions reflect his artistry, which is based on love. And today, once again, he's the only musician in the Bay Area, in fact I would say a lot in the entire United States, who does orchestra. I have not seen anybody else who can bring together vocalists, sitarists, percussion, all of those different instruments together on a single platform. It's a very difficult thing to do, and he's able to do it very effortlessly. Not only for Indian music, Indian classical music, but also he brings in a lot of elements of Western music into his compositions as well. And when you get an opportunity, please do see India Currents and come to all of our performances that we do routinely every year in the Bay Area. So today, like his unique approach to orchestra performances, he has again composed a garland of ragas. He weaves together different ragas which has got different melodic structures into a beautiful garland. Again, a skill not endowed with many musicians, and we are very blessed to have that with Pandit Habib Khan. So we are going to have the different ragas that are going to start. We are going to do Rag Megh. It's a monsoon raga, and this composition reflects the mood of the monsoon. Then followed by Jog, Jinjoti. Then we have Rag Bhupali, and then we have Rag Yaman. We have Rag Bhimpalasi, and we have Rag Kafi. Each of these rags have got very different structures, but look at the way he has brought this whole thing together into one beautiful garland. So we again once again present Pandit Habib Khan and his orchestra. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Whatever she said really is true. I'm great. But it doesn't work like that. Because suppose, for example, if I don't have 2 hands, I cannot eat, I cannot do anything. Believe me, I'm not journalist, or you can say that I'm sarcastic, inside political talking, but it's true that because of these old students, I'm perfect. Otherwise, I'm not. Because of them, I'm here. If I'm not there, they can on the stage. This mind is very funny. And if they are not here, I won't be here. I can just play solo concert and go, which everybody does here. To as a student in this level. Can I change the mic? So now sound is down. Please help me. Hello. Okay, this is fine. So, these are students here sitting with me. Believe me, by swear I'm telling you. ये बहुत ही I'm trying to tell you in Hindi because then you can understand what is my feelings. इनके बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. Believe me. ये इतने अच्छे प्यारे खूबसूरत सा चेहरा देख रहे हैं ना. कभी-कभी बड़े जब क्लास में आते तो बड़ा रोती हुई सूरत होती है. But really, because of them, I'm here. इनके लिए एक शेर है, बड़ा अच्छा शेर है. हमने माना कि तगाफुल ना करोगे, लेकिन हमने माना, यानी अगर याद ना करें, हमने माना कि तगाफुल ना करोगे, लेकिन खाक हो जाएंगे हम तुमको खबर होने तक. ये वो फूल है, अगर इन्हें आप सुनेंगे नहीं तो आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. क्योंकि हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक अगेन इज कमिंग डाउन. हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक इज very mostly now sight, very difficult, because we have to every sur we have to play, sing correct, in sur we have to bring the harkat we call khatka, and that we can see from them in simple. Hello. While during the concert, if your mic will work like this, they cannot hear them properly. Hello. So what I will do here, I will start with this guy, and he will say his name. Okay, instead of me announce.
My name is David Gray.
David Gray. Dr. David Gray. Arjun Shah. Rekha Alur. Rekha Alur. शोभित सिंगर डबल होने वाला है. उज्जवल कुमार. पूनम पांडे. मीरा चौराय. विद्याधर फाल्के. कसा बरा की नाही. प्रज्ञा बॅनर्जी. की खबर. वाह. मधु आनंद. जी मधु कितना चला से उसके साथ आनंद. मेघा चावला. मेघा
Emmeline Das.
Say again.
Emmeline Das.
Emmeline Das.
Meghna
Meghna.
Kalpe. Ishana Raghuram.
Ishana Raghuram. Rashid Das Gupta. Sunny Walchandani. Say again. Peter. Scott Peter. Peter. Huh? You next.
Smita Kashi.
Smita Kashi.
Sonia Raghuram.
Sonia Raghuram.
Itika Meji.
Jessica Meji.
Sachin Narayan.
Sachin Narayan. Koshi. Keshav Sharma. Okay. So these are all places. My best. You have must heard मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आवाज़ तो सुना होगा. मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आवाज़ उसका डुप्लीकेट है हमारे पास. इनको मैं कहता हूँ मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आत्मा, लेकिन इनका नाम है प्रिंस बेदी. He is fantastic singer. You will see him today. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll start with Rag Megh. Thank you. Pavani mani 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 mama pagamaga Gawamani Gawamani sani pamagamaga Jogi 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 Aya Gawamanaga Gawamaga Magawamani Pagamaga Gawamaga Gawamani
मौला भर दो झोली, इश्क मेरा लौटा दो, तुम बड़े हो दयालु। मौला 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 मौला। सुभान अल्लाह सुभान अल्लाह सुभान अल्लाह सुभान अल्लाह। पत्थर दिल को मोम बनाया तूने, पत्थर दिल को मोम बनाया तूने, पत्थर दिल को मोम बनाया तूने। यूं तो क्या क्या नहीं देखा, यूं तो क्या क्या नहीं देखा। इसको देखा उसको देखा सबको देखा, इसको देखा उसको देखा सबको देखा। यूं तो क्या क्या नहीं देखा, यूं तो क्या क्या नहीं देखा। तुझसा कोई नजर नहीं आता है, ओ मेरे मौला साईं मौला बाबा मौला अल्लाह मौला। मौला कर दो चोरी, इश्क मेरा लौटा दो, तुम बड़े हो दयालु।
Thank you very much. It's very difficult to bring our student on the stage within 1 month practice. And of course, we don't have proper mics, so you cannot hear sitar properly. Unfortunately, because of course, this is small concert, but it's very, very difficult. See, if you ask me to perform here, solo sitar, I can do 2 to 3 hours, I can just do by myself. Because I'm practicing like 30-35 years, same thing. But to bring the student, what's your mic? I don't know, can't bring it. To bring students on the stage in this level is a really amazing. Really, I clap for them. Because the school, they have to do every day, they have to do homework. First priority is in school. The music is not important for them, but still they are doing so well. And this is a 1 month practice, but fortunately, if you go and see in future, this same concept, you will see that everybody will get solo each mic, and then you can see them perform. All students, they are playing really well after maybe 6 weeks. Thank you very much for your patience, and thank you very much for your listening. Thank you, Shamla ji and Usha ji, once again. Thank you very much.
First of all, on behalf of the temple, I would like to thank Pandit Habib Khan for coming and giving us a wonderful performance, and we want to thank all the students. And it's so nice of him, he accepted the invitation as soon as he asked. It's really, really, great that he obliged to come and perform here. All the artists, please stay on stage. The priest will come and give us a short blessing. I want to invite Srikant Chari and his students also. All today's performers, please come on stage. And the priest will come and bless the students.
Great, thank you very much. Thank you to them, not me. I'm nothing in front of them. Let's do this way.
कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् ॐ उमाकान्ताय कान्ताय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीगिरीशाय देवाय विश्वनाथाय मङ्गलम् ॐ हृद्यास्मः व्यैर्नमसोपसत्य मित्रं देवं मित्रधेयं नोऽस्तु अनुराधान् हविषा वर्धयन्तः शतं जीवेम शरदः सवीराः शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषः शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति ॐ श्रीर्वर्चस्वमायुष्यमारोग्यमवेध चोभमानं महीयसे धान्यं धनं वशं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषः शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति क्षत्रस्य राजा वरुणोऽधिराजः नक्षत्राणागं शतभिषग्वसिष्ठः तौ देवेभ्यः कृणुतो दीर्घमायुः समस्तसन्मङ्गलानि भवन्तु लक्ष्मी वेङ्कटेश्वरस्वामिनः अनुग्रहपरिपूर्णता सिद्धिरस्तु विशालाक्षि समेत विश्वनाथस्वामिनः कृपापरिपूर्णता सिद्धिरस्तु All the best.
Again, very good. All of you just stand there.
All of you please stay back. There will be some prasadam distributed in the back of the auditorium. Please stay and enjoy that before you go.
I did hear that. Thank you very much, sir.
That is different from the stage. I didn't have enough bike. Yeah, you need that. Okay. This is not
Any plans to receive the laddus?
Hi, Anurag.
Oh, she went to the keep going. She eventually came down to the car, very disappointed.
You too, your business too. Sure, I'll take them. I'll take them. Hey, how are you? Nice seeing you. Very good performance. Oh, very good, but the output was really. I know they are from, you all see every day, right? How much they are practicing. But, yeah. I don't know.
How are